hide the crease, bend at the waist, straight legs, find your grip, bend the knees, contact the shins with the bar, head up, use the legs to guide up. We're gonna go over a little deadlift setup, how to get set up for the deadlift. Some personal preferences for me. I like to do deadlift and squats without shoes. Nice flat surface, and you don't have to worry about your shoes moving around, being too squishy or anything underneath you. Nice and solid point of contact with the ground. The first thing you're gonna do is, whether you have shoes on, if you have shoes on, you can line up with your shoelaces over the bar, and you shouldn't under the bar, you shouldn't see your shoelaces looking straight down, and you're gonna have straight legs. With no shoes on, you can line up at the crease of your ankle. You're gonna hide that with the bar, and looking down, you shouldn't see the crease of your ankle. You're gonna bend down at the waist. You're gonna bend straight legs still. You're gonna find a good place on the bar, measure out, and then next, you're gonna bend those knees to come to touch the shins on the bar, and you're gonna use your legs to guide the bar all the way up to prevent stress on the upper and lower back and the whole chain all the way up. So you're gonna step into it, hide the crease, bend at the waist, find your grip, even grip on each side. Bend the knees to come in contact with the bar. You want your head up, looking at a spot about 45 degrees out, and you're gonna look at that spot the whole time. A good thing to think about is having a crane attached to your chest. That's gonna keep your chest up high, pinch those shoulder blades back. And you're coming up, and you're guiding all the way up, and you're guiding all the way down, not bending the knees until as the bar passes. And you're not straightening the knees until as the bar is passing. So, one more time. Hide the crease, bend at the waist, straight legs, find your grip, bend the knees, contact the shins with the bar, head up, use the legs to guide up.